Okay, in this video I'm going to show you my tulips and how I planted them. So these tulips have been growing here now for over 3 years, and in this video I show you how I planted them. I'll just take my spade and push it in the ground. And then push it forward like that. And then you can just put one in, or you can put in several. Now the depth depends on the size of the bulb. The bigger the bulb, the deeper it should go, whereas the biggest bulbs should be 6 inches or so. Lily bulbs are the biggest. Maybe you can even put them 7 inches or so. And so the smaller the bulb, the more shallow the hole. So I just keep push my spade in and push it forward like that. And push them in. You can tell, see, like right here, this is up and those are the roots in the bottom. So push it right side up in there. I usually like doing this after everything has stopped growing. They'll send you these, if you order them by mail, they'll send them in July and say that's proper planting time. But if you've got a lot of stuff actively growing in your flower bed, you don't actually want to plant them when all things are growing actively, I don't think. And so I wait until things have stopped growing. Right now, this is actually the 1st of November here in Zone 5 in Illinois. Spade in. And push it forward. The more often you dig in your flower bed, the easier this will be. Just push it in. Push it forward. So just push the spade in and then pull it like that, and then in the hole right here, that's where you can put the bulbs. Now see, when you've been digging in the soil a lot, it gets easy to push the spade in like that and push it forward, and right here is your hole. I found this to be the easiest way to plant large numbers of bulbs. And make sure you put them right side up. This is the top right here, and that's the bottom. You can see the roots in the bottom. So put it in there right side up. And put your hand on top of them and pull the spade straight up as far as you can. And put your hand on the dirt and pull it back over the bulbs. biggest bulb should be 6 inches, and the smaller the bulb, the closer to the surface of the plant. And put your hands on the bulbs and pull the shovel straight up. And take your hand and push that dirt over them. So if you like that video about planting tulips, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out to make more videos. And so if you can, please subscribe to my channel, Gardening in My Yard, and like this video. I would really appreciate it. So thanks very much, and goodbye.